Now that I'm expecting the components to come in, I will go ahead and receive them. So we have those purchase orders open. Let's see in here, we have 43 pending receipts. So these are goods from all the different purchase orders that are open right now. So there's a lot of old data here, sample data, and then 2 orders on the bottom are new. And they are for our 3 motors and also for 3 of the blades. Say that the items did arrive in our warehouse and the shipping person wants to receive these items. They will search for this list in here by the PO number that will be referenced on the packing slip from the vendor. Find this receipt, click validate, and there's a warning here saying that I didn't actually select the quantity, so it's suggesting to do all of them. I will say apply. So at this point, we received 3 items of this electric motor in our system. I'll go back here and say the other packing slip we have is PO number 13, but let's assume that we have quite a lot of open orders here, and so I don't want to just scroll through them and look for them, so I can go ahead and type in here 13, and then if the system searches for this number here, I can see that this is the receipt I need to get. I'll click validate here, apply. So I received now all the components that we need in our system.